Hi, I'm Jeff from Rokform, and this is the new wireless charging vent mount. And today we're going to do an unboxing and show you everything you get inside the box. So first thing we're going to do is get a nice close-up view and open her up. Okay, so we're just going to pull this tab, open the box. It's going to show you some information that we're going to go over right now. We're going to slide open and take out the tray. And this is great for travel too, so don't throw away the box. If you travel with your vent mount in rental cars and things like that, this makes a great carrying case. Inside here, we have our little installation guide that shows you what to do with horizontal and vertical mounts, which we're going to show you. You can also scan this QR code and watch other videos on this vent mount. And then this is the little operations manual that tells you all the technical details of this product. So we're going to open her up. The main component, of course, is the wireless charging vent mount. So there's a wireless charging coil in here, and there is also an extra strength MagSafe array. So why extra strength? Well, we want it to stick not only well with our cases, but with no case or even a case with just standard strength MagSafe magnets. This is going to securely hold your phone while you're driving down the road when it's mounted on your vent. It has a nice grippy silicone face, and there's a special coating on here to keep the dust from sticking to it, so it's not going to look dusty and dirty all the time. The body's all made out of aluminum, so it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it has a real nice premium feel. Here's your USB-C connection point, so you're just going to plug your USB cable right into there. And you'll see this extra wide, what we call super grip clamp that will stick onto your vent. We do it extra wide and a little bit stiffer than most, so that once you do slide it onto your vent, it's not going to pull off when you pull your phone out. So the next thing we're going to show you is this lens wipe. Well, it's not for cleaning your glasses, but it is for cleaning your vent. So if you have a vehicle that has like some Armor All or grease or cleaner or detergent or dust or dirt on your vent, you're going to want to clean it off real good with this lens wipe, because when you slide this on, if there's grease or dirt, it's not going to adhere as well, and it's going to want to slide out or pull out when you pull your phone out. So by having a nice clean vent, you'll ensure you're going to get the maximum performance out of this vent mount. So that's the wipe. The next thing we're going to get in this kit is the USB-C cable. So this is a USB-C cable to USB-C. So if you don't have a USB-C connection in your vehicle, then you can buy one of those cigarette lighter type off Amazon for 10 bucks or so, and you're good to go. If you are lucky enough to have a USB-C in your car, you just plug this directly into it and plug the other end into the wireless charging vent mount, and you can instantly start charging. So this comes with a nice little Velcro tie to keep the cable bound up. And one of the reasons why we do that is because we feel like this is a great carrying case for people who do travel and they want to take their vent mount with them for their rental car or watching movies on the plane or whatever. This is a nice little compact box. It's going to keep your vent mount safe and also allow you to travel with it with all the contents in one box. So here is our angle adapter, and this is where the vertical and horizontal vents come into play. So if you have a horizontal vent, the cable is going to shoot directly down and probably straight into the front of your lower part of your dash. Well, if you have a vertical mount, it's going to kind of stick out like this. So that's not super ideal. So we include this angle adapter. So now you plug that in, and you plug this guy in, and now it goes straight down, just like if you had a horizontal mount. So, and even if you do have a horizontal mount and for some reason you want to kick it off to the right or left, you can do that with this little guy. So that is a very important component that you may or may want to use, but we do include it just to make your life easy. So how this works, we'll use it without this. It's real simple. You just plug it in, and then we're going to plug it into our power source here. And in this first case, I'm going to be using a Rokform rugged case. It's going to automatically stick, and it's going to automatically start charging. So it's going to charge a little bit slower if you're using a case than if you're using no case, but it will charge. And so now we'll show you what it looks like without a case. It's going to be about twice as fast without a case than with a case. So same thing there. So if you're really in a huge hurry to get your phone charged, if you're going from A to B, take this out and plug it in, and you're going to get ultra fast charging. If you're driving in and out of the car all the time and you just want your phone to charge while you're driving, then this works really good. But if you want a really fast charge, then the plug is always the fastest. I use this every single day on my way to and from work, and it gives me enough juice so that I don't have to plug my phone in at all during the day. Also works great as a little stand so you can watch movies on the plane or do whatever you want. It's a really nice, handy little product that is definitely portable and very useful. So that's it for the wireless charging vent mount for use with or without a Rokform case. If you have any questions, please give us a call, toll free with the number on your screen, or send us an email, or visit us at our showroom here in Irvine, California. Thank you.